Yeah.
Okay. So.
Got some ice cream? Yeah.
Okay.
We're gonna be filming this kid scooter.
So today it's about 20 degrees out and the ground is frozen solid. So we're gonna be doing some dirt scootering.
Yep.
On the ground. Okay, let's go. James, film me the whole way.
Go. Go.
Let's go.
Will I follow you? Sick jump, bro. Wait a sec. Wait a sec.
Okay. And here.
All right.
Okay.
He's
Now, as you can see, my BMX dirt jump is frozen solid. So we shall have a scooter session.
scooter sesh. Match scooter sesh, bro.
Jump. Ready? Let's go.
Stall.
Oh yeah. Get some.
6 stall, bro. 6 stall.
Sick. Okay. Ready?
Yeah, go. Just kidding. 6 stall, bro. That sucks balls.
Roll back. And would you like to do your scooter check? And come over here. And the tail whip on the ground. Okay. Ready?
Ready for a sick tail whip, bro?
Ready? James, I'm gonna go there. Ready? Ready?
Woo!
Here goes. Tail whip. Probably won't do it.
Where are you gonna jump?
Like right there.
There's no jump.
Oh, let's do that again.
Yeah. Try it again.
Ready?
I can get your scooter. Go.
Oh. Hi. That's tail whip on dirt right there.
Yeah.
Ready?
Sick tail whip.
180 roll out.
180 roll up. Sick 180 roll out. Sick.
Okay.